My name is Jacqueline Camacho, and I'm a civil engineering major.
My name is Carlos Magallon. I'm a mechanical engineering major.
My name is Michelle Espinoza. I'm an astrophysicist major with an engineering background.
Currently, all the interns are working as a team to update our calibration system. We're utilizing a new software that allows us to keep track of all the calibration tools and ensure that all the calibration tools are being calibrated by their due dates.
I get to also inspect parts. For instance, like the hardness of a particular part after it's been heat treated, or true positions of parts that have like multiple drilled holes to make sure that they're all according to spec.
In addition to that, we've been updating CAD drawings that we give off to the machinists to make their parts. And we even participate in GD&T courses that the company provides for their engineers, inspectors, and machinists.
For a week, I got to shadow a mechanical engineer who actually graduated from the school that I'll be transferring to. So I got to know tips and advice to how to be successful, not only after I graduate, but also on campus and during my undergrad, which is really cool and something I would have never got to experience without this internship.
So one of the main things that I think the STEM program prepared me for when attending these internships is networking.
I feel the STEM program really prepared me and also made me confident in wanting to do all these things.
The program has really helped kind of cater you to wanting to attain those opportunities, to really grab them, really go for them, apply and kind of get that competitive edge, especially at a community college level, before you transition to a university.
My name's Greg Vescio, and I'm the owner of this Vescio Manufacturing. My uncle started it back in 1947, and I've been in charge of this company since about 1998. We make close tolerance parts that fit in your hand, so we're not like the easy parts guy. We're more of the high difficult, close tolerance stuff. Pretty much manufacture things based on a Toyota management system, which is lean thinking. So you're always trying to take waste out of every process you have, and you have hundreds of processes out there. I started hiring interns probably about 5 years ago, and I just noticed they bring a little bit of energy to the company because they're learning, and other people tend to like that, and it makes it more fun to work here. The most thing I want them to get out of it is the sense, do they want to be in manufacturing? And there's so many different parts of manufacturing that maybe they'll see one thing that they really like let's say they really want to be a quality engineer or a manufacturing engineer that designs a bridge, or there's just so much to this industry that it kind of gives them a taste of which way they should go.
So one piece of advice that I would give my peers, especially undergraduates in community college, is to just go for it and apply. A lot of the things that students don't realize is that companies take interns because sometimes they just need that extra hand.
Just do it, honestly. There are a million reasons not to do something, but the thing you will mostly gain from this is experience, which is what you will need for any path you want to take.
My advice would be to apply with confidence, drop those excuses, and practice time management. That's really what it is in the end.
This is stuff that I can jot down on my resume and even my LinkedIn.